Welcome back to the channel. It's your host, Worldwide Chrome, the Hold My Beer channel. Thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Let's do it. Alright, so now we're back at it, guys. Today we did something really different and out of the box. Normally we're on the smokers, we're on all of that right there. But today we have us a tomahawk steak. I'm talking about a big one. You hear me? You hear me? So this is what we're gonna do with this. Alright. First of all, I like it because it has a handle on it. Alright. Second of all, what we're gonna do, I've already put my binder on there, which is the Italian dressing. Now, we're gonna put on our favorite Montreal steak seasoning, because it's beef. Okay? And guys, when you're doing this, make sure you get it on all sides. Okay? All sides. All sides. Something else, you have to know what you're doing and how you're choosing it. You see how this has a lot of fat on it? That means it's gonna taste good, Jack, okay? Fat equals flavor. I don't care what anyone says to you. Now that we didn't went Flintstone or Barney Rubble, okay? Now you have two options when you're doing a steak of this size. You have the first sear, or some people may call it a reverse sear, or you have the other option, which is a reverse sear. So what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna take it and put it right in the middle, and you should hear that signature sound, guys. Okay. And with a steak of this size, you have to just kind of let it go, and you'll get those marks in and everything. And then even with this is something you cannot rush. This is going to take maybe an hour, because look how big this is, right? I'm sorry, it's windy out here. It's a lot of moving parts. All right. So now we'll let this, because of the size, the thickness, I would say for every inch, you should give it 3 minutes. That's just my calculation. I could be wrong. But you do that, then you're going to come over, see how we're straight like this right now. If you want those hash marks, which everybody tries to achieve, you're going to turn it that way. Right? Simple. So anyway, we're going to let it do its thing for a minute. We're going to come back. We're going to tap in, rotate it, show you how we do it. See there? Take your time. And that's a big boy steak. So we're going super indirect. You're starting to see it leak a little bit. We're going to render down this fat, all those juices and everything. And that's what we're doing. All right? So we can do this, guys. So now that you let it sit over there indirect, now you're going to the sear. Okay? You're trying to crisp it up, get all those juices stay in. And this is what we're doing, guys. All right? Now, you have your tomahawk steak, big boy ribeye. You know, woo, woo. So now what you want to do is leave it alone, guys. Let it just rest up, let all those juices suck back in. You could tint it or cover it up with aluminum foil or whatever. I'm not gonna do that. And then when we come back, we're gonna cut into this, slice into this, and see what we have. I think that's a good plan of attack. What do you think, sir?
I think it's a good attack.
Okay. All right, y'all. So we'll see you back again. It's the Hold My Beer channel. Your host, Worldwide Chrome, Fate and Plays. We love you guys. If you're watching this video, please subscribe. If please do it, guys. You know, or keep watching the videos, whatever. And comment to me and talk to me. Let's go. Let's do it. We'll be back in. We're cutting to it. Let's go. So, guys, now we've seared it off. We cooked it off. You know, nice tomahawk. Woo. So we're gonna cut into it. See that fat, that nice fat cap. Ooh. 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 I'm gonna give it to my trusty assistant. Yeah, so guys, you can do it. This is medium rare, you know. Tastes good to me. So you can do it. It's very easy. If you don't think you can do it, watch the video again. It's a Home Beer channel. Thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. Let's go. See you on the next one.